Welcome to our cupcake pick tutorial. Today we're going to assemble our Strange Times cupcake picks. This is part of our Stranger Things party theme. Each cupcake pick assembly kit does come with all of the items you need for assembly. Most importantly, it does come with the instructions. It also comes with 24 stickers to help you build your cupcake picks, and of course 24 sticks and 24 backings. All you need to do is open up this little kit here, take out one of the backings and one of your stickers. Next, you take one of the sucker sticks, place it in the middle. You kind of want it just about halfway up to square, and then you just stick the sticker right in the middle. You do want to press kind of firmly just to ensure that all of the items stay nice and tight. You don't want anything falling off onto the cupcake.